तो आज की सुबह काफी जल्दी हुई. As quickly after the breakfast, we had to head to Abu Dhabi. It was a 1.5 hours journey from Dubai by road. For your information, there is no direct train or metro route from Dubai to Abu Dhabi.
So today it's day 3 and we are in the capital city of the UAE, Abu Dhabi. So the first pit stop of the day is the Sheikh Al Zayed Mosque, popularly known as the Grand Mosque. This is the largest mosque of UAE. It is built over an area of 30 acres. Now let's go inside.
The Sheikh Zayed Mosque opens every day at 9 am and closes at 10 pm. Entry fee to this mosque is completely free. However, you need to book your visit in advance in order to get a free access pass. And सबसे ज़्यादा important बात जो ध्यान में रखना है is you need to cover yourself from head to toe along with your arms, वरना under entry नहीं मिलेगी. Here you are, the Grand Mosque, the country's largest mosque and world's third largest mosque. The key place of worship for daily Islamic prayers in the United Arab Emirates. सफेद मार्बल से बना ये mosque is truly an architectural marvel. There are a total of 82 domes and the largest one is at the top of the central prayer hall. Grand Mosque is so grand that it can accommodate 40,000 plus worshippers at a time. Now it was time to move to the Presidential Palace. The palace, which was inaugurated in 2017 and was open to public in 2019. The ticket price to the palace is 65 AD, which is approximately equal to 1600 Indian rupees. Visiting time is from 11 am to 6:30 pm. You need at least 2 hours to see the entire Qasr Al Watan. The white color symbolizes purity and peace.
तो अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं प्रेसिडेंट पैलेस में, विच इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज कसर अल वतन. ये पैलेस बनना शुरू हुआ था 2010 में एंड 2017 में ये बन के कम्प्लीट हुआ. अभी इस पैलेस में आपको 3 विंग्स मिल जाएंगे, 1 फॉर द प्रेसिडेंट, 2nd फॉर द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एंड 3rd फॉर द प्रिंस ऑफ द UAE. This palace is spread over 3000 square meter और ये बना है लाइमस्टोन और वाइट ग्रेनाइट से.
The architectural design of the palace is inspired and influenced by Arabian Gulf architecture and the greatest civilization of the Middle East. From Qasr Al Watan, we went to the Etihad Towers, the complex of buildings with 5 towers. This location was used for filming the 2015 movie Furious 7. Entry fee to its observation deck is 95 AED. If you wish, you can just do some photoshoot and skip the observation deck. Next, we headed to the Yas Island, the man-made island in Abu Dhabi. Yas Island में एंट्री के लिए टिकट्स नहीं लगते हैं, but if you want to enter the theme parks in the island, you need to pay the tickets, which varies from place to place. The roller coaster you see here is the Formula Rosa, the world's fastest roller coaster in Ferrari World, Abu Dhabi. Ferrari World, an indoor theme park located in Yas Mall, Yas Island. आपको बता दूं कि ये दुनिया का सबसे पहला फरारी थीम्ड पार्क है. You have the ticket counters present over here. Well, they say if you can dream it, you can drive it. You may drive or even choose the passenger experience. But one thing is guaranteed. You are going to love the experience. फरारी वर्ल्ड में हमारा वक्त इतना ही था, पर आगे जो था वो रिसेंटली अबू धाबी का मेन अट्रैक्शन कहने से गलत नहीं होगा. वेलकम टू द BAPS हिंदू मंदिर ऑफ द UAE. फॉर अ मोमेंट मैं भूल ही गई थी कि मैं भारत में नहीं बल्कि एक दूसरे देश में हूँ. This temple is a symbol of interfaith harmony, representing UAE and India's strong relations. शाम को मंदिर परिसर में गंगा आरती भी की जाती है और पूरे UAE की भीड़ आपको यहीं देखने को मिल जाएगी.
So I've just come out of the स्वामी नारायण टेम्पल इन अबू धाबी और मैं बयान नहीं कर सकती ये एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था. एकदम मैजिकल. ये मंदिर हाल ही में बहुत ज़्यादा चर्चे में रहा क्योंकि हमारे भारत के प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी आए थे स्वामी नारायण टेम्पल को इनॉग्रेट करने के लिए फरवरी के महीने में ही. एंड दिस इज़ द लार्जेस्ट हिंदू टेम्पल इन द साउथ वेस्ट एशिया.
So that was it from Abu Dhabi. अगले वीडियो में बारी है बुर्ज खलीफा, द दुबई फाउंटेन, म्यूजियम ऑफ द फ्यूचर और दुबई मॉल की. So subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Till the next time, bye bye.